Hey everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x headphones. These headphones are very well known in the studio monitor space, receiving a lot of praise from professional audio reviewers each year. In fact, right now they have nearly 15,000 ratings on Amazon with one of the highest ratings of any headphone. These headphones are dynamic, closed back, and over ear. Let me show you the sides of the box. Let's cover some of the listed features. 45mm drivers with rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils. Also, these headphones feature a 90-degree swivel. Note the rated impedance of these headphones is 38 ohms, so the headphones will work even from a phone. Okay, here's the user manual. That may be helpful for later. Audio-Technica has included a very nice looking branded carrying case. This is a really nice addition that we don't see very often. We can see the Audio-Technica logo on the outsides of the ear cups. The ear cushions are nice. I can definitely tell that to the touch they feel plush and comfortable. The headphones swivel 90 degrees in both directions and are also fully collapsible for on-the-go use. In terms of construction, up top of the set we have the standard retractable headband, which feels solid. Also, there's a good amount of padding that feels like it would lend to wearing these headphones for long listening sessions. For cabling, Audio-Technica decided to go with a detachable cable. And in fact, they provided 3 cables, 2 straight and 1 coiled. The longer straight cable is about 4 feet long, and the coiled cable ranges from 4 feet to 10 feet. Looks like we just insert the notch connector into the headphones like this. This is such a versatile pair of headphones that we can pretty much use these for anything: mixing, monitoring, DJing, or just listening at home. Check the description below for the full review of these headphones at rottenaudio.com. I hope you enjoyed this Audio-Technica ATH-M50x unboxing video. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. Thanks, and have a truly rotten day.